This 2023 CrossRoads Zinger Lite ZR211RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, in 46,914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Smokey Tan, Steely Grey interior, sleeps 5, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.